Taking a drive through our sleepy little town today. It's a high of 55 degrees, but not this weekend. We've got snow and below zero temps coming. Not much going on. Couple months, March, everyone starts opening up. Closed for the season. See you May of 25. That's when they're opening up. There's a few stores in Keystone that do stay open. The Indians, and there's a little convenience store. And the wood carvers, they stay open. Give you a shot of some of the wood carvings. Still out here. We got our big Bigfoot. It's our town mascot. The Doll Brothers. They are the chainsaw sculptors. 20% off. Oh my gosh. Here's Riker. He's going for a ride. Even our gas station closes. There's somebody on a motorcycle. Motels, they're all shut down. Wax Museum, tramway. Of course the tramway is. And then here's the Keystone Mall where my stores are at. We open up March 1st. There's the sheriff. He's waiting to pull somebody over. I better use my blinker. He loves to pull the locals over. At least that's what he tells me. So when driving through my parking lot, I have to drive on a flat surface because the sun does not ever hit this area except for 10 minutes at the end of the day. And I will get stuck. This is sheer ice under here. This is where I'll have to park. And I am here. All right, everybody enjoy your day, and we will see you soon.